Hello, welcome to ANS Solver. This is the second question of the paper. As you can see, they have given us an iterative value. They have given the value of x1 here. So now I need to calculate x2, x3, x4, x5 and then get the final iterative value. So if I want to calculate x2, I know my n needs to be 1 here. Correct? So that I get my value as x2. So I can write this as x2, 2x1 raised to 6 plus 12 into x1 over 3x1 raised to 5 plus 8. So now I can say x2 is equal to, in the place of x1, I know my x1 is 2. So 2 raised to 6 plus 12 into 2 over 3 into 2 raised to 5 plus 8. So my x2, now simply just write this on the Cal C. So when I do that, I get my answer as 1.461538. Now for my x3, wherever I have put 2 in this equation, click on the answer button. Just put answer there. Wherever I have put 2. Okay, wherever. Like in these 3 places. 1, 2 and 3. Remove the 2 and press the answer button on that. So I get my value as 1.322263. Now for x4, just simply click on equal to. So I get my value as 1.3195079. x5, again click equal to. So I get my answer as 1.3195079. And on x6, again click equal to. So I get the same answer now in the last 3 iteration. That means how many more times I click equal to, this is a recurring value, which means this is my iterative value, which I can simply say is 1.3195 to 4 decimal places. Okay, and my final answer. Now, state an equation satisfied by alpha and hence find the exact value of alpha. So now what you need to do is, your iterative formula is this. So just write this iterative formula without the n's. Something like this. Okay? Something like this. Now I know my alpha is simply alpha equals to 2 alpha raised to 6 plus 12 into alpha over 3 alpha raised to 5 plus 8. Now I need to calculate the exact value of alpha. So I can simply write this as alpha into 3 alpha raised to 5 plus 8 is equal to 2 alpha raised to 6 plus 12 alpha. So I can write this simply as 3 alpha raised to 6 plus 8 alpha is equal to 2 alpha raised to 6 plus 12 alpha. Now what I can simply do is, I can write this as alpha raised to 6 because 3 alpha raised to 6 minus 2 alpha raised to 6 gives me alpha raised to 6, and 12 alpha minus 8 alpha gives me 4 alpha. So now I can write this as alpha raised to 6. Okay, or what I can simply do is, I can write this as alpha raised to 6 minus 4 alpha is equal to 0. Here I can take alpha common to get alpha raised to 5 minus 4 is equal to 0. I know here I'll get alpha equals to 0 and alpha raised to 5 minus 4 equals to 0. I know this is not possible. Okay, alpha cannot be 0. So I can write this as alpha raised to 5 equals to 4, which can give me alpha equals to something like this, which is the exact value of alpha.